Oh yeah. And I bet you didn't email them saying, this is the last time I'm going to call you. I bet you were skillful. I bet you were skillful, you were cool, you were calm, you were collected, you figured out what was important to that construction company, you gave them a compelling reason to do business with you, and you're landing the plane. Correct, Jay?
Yes, correct. And since I started on your program about 2 weeks into it now, and you know, listen to everything you had to say and your recommendations, and I'm keeping my outreach emails very short to the point, 3 sentences. Hey, listen, Jay Kim, we're connected on LinkedIn. Give me a call. I want to run something by you.
Yeah, and Jay, correct me if I'm wrong, but you said 600-line deal, not a 6-line deal, not a family plan, correct?
Correct.
Isn't that weird? The bigger the deal, the shorter our emails can be. Why? Executives in charge of construction companies that have 1,000 associates and need 600 lines of service don't have time for a 3-page email. They want to work with a professional. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here, check it out. You're gonna see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's gonna give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.